Frank Dermadella here with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 600 V12 Verados. This boat will give you top speed around 55 miles per hour. A comfortable cruise at 32 miles per hour will give you a nearly 300-mile range. So let's start at the transom here. You'll notice your large sunbed in the dune upholstery color, as well as your swim platform dune sea deck. On the port side, you have very long storage here. You could fit paddle boards, water toys, keep your life jacket, Coast Guard kit back here. A lot of useful space. So your shore power is connected here. You do have dockside fresh water, so when you're at a dock or you're at a destination, you don't have to keep running your freshwater tank dry. Also, you'll notice you have a nice teak drain here. So this boat is equipped with a hot and cold water freshwater shower. You have a pole that is stowed in this compartment that comes up, and you can have a regular stand-up shower. Coming forward a little bit, you have your aft-facing or side-facing backrest here. So your swim platform on the starboard side folds all the way down. You could look out this way, which is nice. And then when you're done with that, simply locks in a position like that. Something you'll notice on this boat is a lot of cup holders, a lot of storage, because that's what this boat is really made for. So let's come over to our wet bar area. You've got dual fridges, dual grills, got a nice freshwater sink with a nice lid here. Something I really like about this, you'll notice these built-in steps here. So you pull up to a bulkhead, you could easily enter and exit off the side of the boat, so you don't have to climb a ladder or anything like that. You do have audio control in the back and at the helm. Your cockpit table folds up nicely. So if you didn't want to be trapped, say you have a lot of guests back here, you could easily exit this way. You don't have to ask the person next to you to get up and get out, which is really nice. You have a lot of storage under all these seats. So right now I just have my bow canvas stowed in here. And again, just notice 2 cup holders, 3 cup holders. To expand the social area of the boat, so your port side passenger seat turns and locks into place like so. Now your people here have easy access to cup holders here. And now you have almost a large living room space where everyone's looking at each other, everyone can converse and enjoy the fun. Just behind the helm seat, you've got a fuse box, so easy access, everything's nice and labeled. Also, again, you'll notice, so you'll see this white ribbon throughout the boat underneath the perimeter of all the cushions. So this is RGBW LED lighting. This is color changing. You can sync it with music or use the pre-program in the Simrad system to have a little party if you want. Another nice feature, the battery switches are located very conveniently. So as soon as you hop on the boat, hit the house, hit both engines, now the boat's energized. You got 120 outlets here. Just above us, you've got a nice manual sunshade. That locks into place with a turn-in stainless. Coming to the helm area, you got 2 single seats with bolsters that fold up. A very well-placed footrest, which is really nice. You got your joystick control and your binnacle here. All of your important things are located on these stainless brush buttons, and almost all of the boat systems are accessed within the Sea Ray app in the Simrad. Let's make our way down to the cabin. So here we are in the cabin of the 400. Notice you got very large U-shaped seating here. Again, you have a folding table so people can enter and exit easily. This is a high-low table, so this becomes one large berth. You've got a TV on your port side, refrigerator, and microwave. On our starboard side, you've got a nice wet head, sink, an opening porthole for ventilation if needed. And in the rear berth here, you have a full-size bed with a TV as well, and storage on both sides. On our port side, so this is where your cockpit TV is stowed. It already has an attached male adapter, and that will simply go in the receptacle at the wet bar. This boat is equipped with the enclosure package. You'll notice your zippers here. So you will have isinglass that attaches to the top of the windshield and encircles the whole boat. You'll notice you do have a large block-off door here, so on those cold and rainy days, you can seal up the cockpit area. In our floor here, any water that enters the bow area will not enter the cockpit area. It'll simply hit this area and drain right off the boat. Forward, we've got 3 nice lounge seats with armrests. We do have, again, audio control at the bow. More RGBW lighting under all the perimeter under the cushions here. Access to your windlass if needed with a remote control. This boat is equipped with the spotlight option, which is really nice when coming in the harbor late at night, as well as a freshwater rinse off for when that anchor gets a little dirty. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the Sea Ray 400 SLX. If you'd like to know more, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.